Hello YouTubers. In this video we're going to be working on our 2008 Club Car Precedent. This has the Kawasaki FE290 motor in it, the same as that guy. And the problem is it does this when you crank it. So that sound there tells me that the generator, starter generator, this device here, that pulley there is spinning when we go to try to crank the club car. So let's take a look, see what's going on. And sure enough, that's our issue. So we can see, if you can barely tell, but the belt is loose. So I'm not going to worry about tightening this particular belt. I'm going to order a replacement belt. And when it comes in, we will pick up the video and fix it. So in the back of the club car is this trim tool here, trim panel. We need to get this out. So let's get a trim tool and pull that off. Pull these two plugs out. Taking the panel out reveals the starter generator, which is this right here. And we're going to loosen the bolt right there. We're not going to take it out, we're just going to loosen it. Then we're going to also loosen the two bolts on the top side of the generator, which is this one and that one. So those look like 14s. So in order to loosen them correctly, you're gonna have to probably hold both sides of the bolt and nut. So they take 14s, just undo them, loosen them up. We're just loosening. So the backside one is a 13. On the backside, there is no nut on the outside. So now we should be able to loosen our belt and pull it off. Well, first we have to get the dry belt one off. So to get the dry belt off, you just have to walk it off. Let's see if I can do this one-handed and record. No. Anyway, there is no special tool for this. You just have to walk this off and push at the same time. So let me do that. Like I said, there is no special science behind pulling it off. You just have to put it on the outside and rotate it around. All right, so the starter generator should come up now. There she is. All right, operation is in reverse. We're going to put the belt back on the starter generator, tighten, or we're going to create some, we're going to tighten the belt and then tighten the bolts at the same time. It's going to be a bit tough, but what I've used in the past is a pry bar, and I have picked up on the back side of this, and I'll show you in just a moment. Starter generator belt is on, and so it feels actually really snug, but I'm going to try to snug it some more. So let me get my pry bar and I'll show you what to do. This is what I'm talking about. I have a pry bar and I'm resting it on the bracket, and I'm just picking up on the starter generator, if you can see it moving. And then I'm going to lock these down with the two 14 millimeters on this side and the 13 on the back. Okay, starter generator belt is on nice and good there. Next thing is let's squeeze this belt here on in place. Go. And there. Next, same way we got it off, we're going to walk it on by moving this until it grabs. And I don't think I can do it one-handed. I think I can. she's in. All right. So let's test our condition again, which was a whining sound. Immediately cracks. All right. I think that fixes this. What I'm going to do now is I change the oil. Let's put the seat back on and give her a drive. All right, so let's take this one for a spin. Oh yeah, we are fixed. We are fixed, YouTubers. If you like the video, like the video.